Hey everybody, Sean here, and I hope you're doing well. As you can see, California now has some wild drones that are capable of opening doors, smashing through glass, and tracking vehicles. Now, as the article reads, on the one hand, having the ability to quickly dispatch a drone to a crime or accident scene could be a good thing and help police to gather more information faster, which would serve to help them solve more crimes. But on the other hand, having drones could get out of hand in a relatively short order, leading to less and less personal freedoms and ultimately to a time where we are policed by machines like we see in dystopian movies like Minority Report. Most of us are aware of China's facial recognition system that has a behavioral point system. One mall in New Zealand is now using facial recognition for targeted advertising. This is wacky stuff, my friends. And now, some US drones can also recognize faces. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong? The troubling thing is reading statements that they made like this. The technology is in its infancy. It is developing. It's such a game changer. For us, breaking the faith, using it irresponsibly, any benefit that we would get will never outweigh the benefits that it gives us. Using it irresponsibly, yikes. So even though there are some benefits to these new drones, as we've seen in China, people can also use this technology as a means of control. So it won't be surprising at all if the craziest things we can imagine actually happen under the rule of Antichrist. Think about it. Facial recognition drones that see you carrying a Bible and then the penalties that follow. As we often say, share the gospel while we still can, because as John 9:4 says, a time is coming when we won't be able to. So with that being said, just a quick one for today, but leave your comments below, and until next time, take care and God bless.